students. Now going to discuss about animal diversity 2. It is the fourth unit. In animal diversity 2, phylum Chordata. Phylum Chordata. It is the largest phylum in the animal kingdom and most diversified group present in this phylum. Next, animals present in the phylum Chordata possess notochord. Notochord is the one of the important feature that is shown by animals present in the phylum Chordata. Notochord, presence of the notochord. It is the main feature, one of the principal character that is shows by the animals. Next, student chordates believed to have descended from echinoderm larvae like ancestors during Precambrian period. At the time of the Precambrian period, these are the animals from the phylum Chordata are originated or descending from the echinoderm larvae like ancestors. Okay. Next, another phylum Chordata includes with protochordates and the vertebrates. Protochordates, vertebrates present in the phylum Chordata. Which are the protochordates? Tunicates. These are the group of animal. Tunicates. Lancelets. These two types of the animals collectively called protochordates. First chordate. Proto means first. Chordates. First animals present in the phylum Chordata. Protochordates. Protochordates include tunicates, lancelets. Next, vertebrates. Vertebrates includes with cyclostomes, fishes and amphibians, reptiles, birds, mammals. These are the vertebrates. Vertebrates, that means these are the animals having vertebral column. In these animals, notochord present at the embryonic development, embryonic period. When it is develops into the adult one, that is the notochord develops into vertebral column. Such animals are called vertebrates, having vertebral column. Vertebrates, cyclostomes, fishes, amphibians, reptiles, aves, mammals. These are the chordate animals are most familiar group to the human beings. Next, first largest animal in the animal kingdom that also belong from phylum Chordata. First largest animal, that is blue whale. Blue whale is the first largest animal. That is Balanoptera musculus. Balanoptera musculus, scientific name. Blue whale, scientific name. It is a marine mammal. It is marine mammal. Okay. Next, second largest animal that also belongs from the phylum Chordata. Rhinodon typus, whale shark. Whale shark is the second largest animal. Scientific name is Rhinodon typus. Next, student, four principal chordate characters. Four types of the characters that are must possessed by chordate animal, must shows by chordate animal. These are also called principal characters of the chordates. First one in this is notochord, presence of the notochord. Notochord, it is a flexible rod-like structure. Notochord, it is the flexible rod-like structure. Flexible rod-like structure locate along mid-dorsal line. Okay, animals having dorsal part, ventral part and lateral parts and anterior, posterior. And one of the notochord, one of the flexible rod-like structure present along the mid-dorsal line mid dorsal line, mid part of the dorsal line between the food tube, gut and nerve cord, between the nerve cord. Between the gut and the nerve cord, there is a flexible rod-like structure along the mid-dorsal line that is called notochord. Notochord, presence of the notochord is the first part of the endoskeleton. It is the first part of the endoskeleton appeared in the embryo. Okay, and it is derived from the chorda mesoderm. It is obtained from, it is the notochord developed from chorda mesoderm. Mesoderm is the embryonic layer, one of the germinal layer. It gives the notochord. It is the first embryonic, first endoskeleton part which is developed or appeared in the embryo, developed embryo. Student, made up of vacuolated cells. Okay, it is the notochord. Notochord made up with vacuolated cells, vacuolated notochordal cells. These are the vacuolated notochord cells, notochordal cells, surrounded by, it is surrounded by inner thick fibrous connective tissue, inner thick fibrous connective tissue sheath. Vacuolated cells connected, surrounded by, these are the cells, vacuolated cells surrounded by fibrous connective tissue sheath. Okay, it is the inner thick fibrous connective tissue sheath. It is also surrounded by outer thin elastic connective tissue sheath. Okay student, vacuolated cells surround with inner thick fibrous connective tissue sheath. It is also surrounded by thin elastic connective tissue sheath. Okay, next it is the notochord. It is the notochord student. Notochord arranged as a mid dorsal line between the gut and the nerve cord. It is persist throughout their life. It is persist throughout their life. Presents entire the life in lancelets, cyclostomes, some fishes. Lancelets, cyclostomes, some fishes. Entire the life period it is present, it is available. Total the life of the organism, animal, in lancelets, cyclostomes, some fishes. Next, another retrogressive metamorphosis student. What about the retrogressive metamorphosis? Retrogressive metamorphosis, metamorphosis that means larva stage develops into the adult one. That is the metamorphosis. Okay, in the process of the metamorphosis, highly developed characters, useful characters are originated, appeared in the adult one. But it is retrogressive metamorphosis. Retrogressive metamorphosis, that means it is appeared in life history of the Ascidian. Ascidian, it is the one of the animal belong from the Chordata, phylum Chordata. If you observe life history of the Ascidian, present in tail of tadpole larva of Ascidian. Student, it is the notochord present in tail of the tadpole larva of Ascidian. Ascidian is the animal. Larva stage of the Ascidian is tadpole larva. Tadpole larva contains this notochord. This notochord is present in tadpole larva of the Ascidian. But when it is develops into adult one, when it is becomes into the adult one, this is the notochord is losses or disappeared. That is the metamorphosis is called retrogressive metamorphosis, present in tail of the tadpole larva of Ascidian, which is lost in its adult stage. Next, it is present in embryonic stage but replaced by vertebral column in adults. In higher chordates, this is the notochord is present at the embryonic development, embryonic stage, and it is modified into, changes into vertebral column. Vertebral column are the backbone in high chordate animals, highly developed chordate animals in adults. Next, another remnants of notochord, leftate. Okay, remnants means leftate. Remnants of the notochord occur as nuclei pulposi in intervertebral disc of mammals. Nuclei pulposi, that means this is the jelly like substance present in the vertebral disc of the vertebral column. Okay, remnants of the notochord present as a nuclei pulposi in intervertebral disc of the mammals. There is a disc like arrangement between the vertebra which is helpful in the slight movement between the vertebrae of vertebral column. Okay, if you observe intervertebral disc, remnants of the notochord occur as nuclei pulposi in intervertebral disc of the mammals. It is about the notochord.